Have you ever thought about doing a once-in-a-lifetime luxury cruise? I'm hosting a cruise on Regent Seven Seas in 2027, and I would like to invite you and tell you more about this upcoming experience. So we have something really exciting to share today. As many of you know, after living on cruise ships for years and sailing on dozens and dozens of ships across many cruise lines, there are only a few cruise experiences that truly feel next level luxury. And Regent Seven Seas is absolutely one of them. And today I'm excited to officially announce that in June of 2027, I'll be hosting a very special group cruise on board the absolutely stunning Regent Seven Seas Grandeur for an incredible 18-night Mediterranean sailing. This is not just a cruise, it's one of those bucket list itineraries that combines luxury, culture, food, history, and if you've ever wanted to try Regent Seven Seas, if you've ever wondered what ultra luxury cruising is like, or if you'd simply love to cruise with us and be part of a hosted group experience, this could be the perfect opportunity. Now, before I get into the itinerary, if you haven't already watched our recent video all about Regent Seven Seas cruises, I highly recommend watching that first because it explains why Regent is so different from mainstream cruising. In there, I talk about what makes Regent luxury cruising unique, what's included, the atmosphere on board, the food, the service, the suites, and whether Regent is actually worth the price, because Regent is one of the most inclusive luxury lines in the world. One of the things people love about Regent is that so much is included. This cruise includes gratuities, specialty dining, select alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages, internet, many shore excursions, beautiful luxury accommodations, and the incredible service that Regent is known for. So unlike some cruise lines where the price starts climbing the second you board, Regent really gives you a more relaxed, premium experience. And this particular sailing actually has some incredible pricing compared to brochure rates. The brochure pricing for this itinerary was over $35,000 per person for many categories. But the current hosted group pricing starts around 19,000 and change Canadian per person based on double occupancy. That's a very substantial savings for an 18-night luxury Mediterranean voyage on board one of the most beautiful ships at sea. And this cruise is on board the Regent Seven Seas Grandeur. Grandeur is absolutely stunning. It's elegant without being stuffy. It's luxurious without being pretentious. It has beautiful suites, incredible dining, and amazing public spaces. It really feels more like a luxury boutique hotel at sea than a traditional cruise ship. And now let's talk about the itinerary because, wow, this cruise begins on June 2nd, 2027 in Venice, Italy. And over 18 incredible nights, we'll sail through some of the most iconic and beautiful destinations in the Mediterranean. This itinerary reads like a luxury travel documentary with all its beautiful coastlines and historic cities, the ancient ruins, beach towns, Greek islands, the French Riviera, Italy, Spain, and Croatia. It's kind of unbelievable. And one of the things that make this cruise extra special is that this is a hosted sailing. So if you book through our hosted group link, you'll be part of the hosted cruise experience with us on board. In fact, if you have a travel advisor already, just give them this information and they will be able to book you into this hosted group too. Now, as details develop closer to sailing, we'll share more information about hosted group gatherings and special opportunities for any of you on the sailing. One of the best parts of hosted cruises is meeting like-minded people who love travel and cruising as much as you do. This cruise is especially perfect for people curious about luxury cruising, longtime cruisers wanting to upgrade their experience, travelers who love culture and destination-focused itineraries, food and wine lovers, people celebrating retirement or milestone events, and viewers who would enjoy cruising alongside us for this experience. And because it's 18-night sailing, it really gives you time to settle in and enjoy the luxury experience properly. So if you're interested in learning more about this cruise, seeing current pricing, availability, suite options, or learning how to be part of the hosted group, please use my link below, and that link will give you all of the details and connect you with the booking information for the hosted sailing. And if you're seriously considerate, I would not wait too long, because availability on these luxury sailings can disappear surprisingly quick, especially once the better suite categories begin selling out. We would absolutely love to have some of you sailing with us on this incredible journey. And honestly, this is shaping up to be one of the most exciting cruises that we've ever done. One more last thing. If you've never been on a Regent Seven Seas cruise before, please let me know by writing me at KirkToriStory@gmail.com so that I can send you an onboard credit of $250. In the email, just send me your first and last name, your email, and the booking number of your upcoming Regent cruise. And of course, if you're booking this particular cruise with me, then of course I'll just add the bonus in for you too. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see some of you on board the beautiful Seven Seas Grandeur in June of 2027. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.